Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. That's a pen. I want to put some color in my shovel I want to use with it. I'm going to use some Mayan gold, which is not coming out terribly fast. Some Chantilly lace. Some Gold-Interference, or Interference Gold. I'm just going to use colors that I have handy that I like. This is Indigo Violet. The Interference is a primary element. The Indigo Violet and the Mayan Gold and the Chantilly lace are all Prizm pours. Here is my Royal Sapphire. I'm going to try a little bit of Fandango here and there. I've got some Aubergine. Fandango is a Prizm pour. Aubergine is a primary element. I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone, so we'll see what happens. This is Snapdragon. This is a primary element. Which is basically, seems like a lighter version of the Indigo Violet, and it's gorgeous. So I'm going to use some of my pink diamond. And I'm contemplating some orange. So that's going to be orange. Yeah, I got the saffron. Saffron's a Prizm pour. Use a little of the sour lemon. Nice pan of colors. Sour lemon that has some orange crush in it. A little bit of orange crush. And I thought I would avoid, but I'm not going to avoid, the jasmine, which is a primary element. Which is basically a richer version of the pink diamond. I'm not sure what else I need, but I've got some Wild Orchid Prizm pour. Now, I think what I'm going to do is take my 10 by 20 inch canvas, take my chances, use some Meeden black, some puddles of Meeden black right down the middle. And if I want to spread my paint even further than it's already going to go, I will add some more. Not sure what I'm doing, but I'm going to do it. I wish I just put the colors on the canvas. Come on. I should remember to grab a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula the next time. I'm going to scrape, that way I can release some of the colors from the shovel. The less you mess with the colors, the more likely you are to maintain the integrity of the brightness of them. Maybe I should go from the other side in. Maybe I should tip a little bit first. I wish I'd put that in there. Come on, I'm stuck on paint chips. That'll teach me to clean my container out better. No, I put that spatula down, but it's the perfect time to do what I said I was going to do. And add a little something something. I'm just going to keep right on taking paint until I'm done taking paint. See, I have drops on my canvas, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do about them, but I'm not going to do anything about it right now. I am probably going to take these end pieces and put some more paint around them. You can find these Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas on my Amazon link underneath Show More under the video near the 20% off or sliding scale, 20 to 30% off Colour Arte coupon code, along with a 10% off Pixel Paint Designs coupon code that'll get you Australian Floetrol, Pebeo paints, Boom Gel. I don't want to give up on it, but it's pretty empty. I want to just scrape it off, which is probably not a good idea. So that's going in the bucket. Now back to the black. Or I've got interference gold. That might be okay to try. Since I never have before. And my plan is to cover this. I'm going to put some on the other side too. With some of my Minwax Poly Wipe On varnish. Looks like if I do this, I'm going to be making up some more paint. I could have used black. You probably could use anything because generally speaking, I think it's going to just swallow whatever's here. It's not my usual dribble painting, which is kind of what I was thinking I was going to do. But I'm loving the colors. And I think I'm just going to keep going until I have spread out the design until I like what it looks like. And I may sneeze. Excuse me. Florida is good for a lot of things, but allergies is not one of them. I see that thing that does not belong in there. Which might be a bubble. Really hard to get rid of bubble. At this point, it's usually when I say I could use an edge catcher. But I'm just going to keep tipping. And I put the paint on the edges so that the paint here wouldn't swallow itself. And I'm going to do it again. I did this recently and I like my result. Excuse my sniffling. The black paint is Meeden black, and it's basically a lot thinner. Although it's not looking a lot thinner at the moment. This is just all about the colors. I'm really wishing I had an edge catcher. I have a piece of cardboard. I never do that, but we could do it now. Sans that chip. It's probably not quite as good as the plastic I usually use. But we'll see, won't we? So I got it to go back on, and it's over the edge, and it's beautiful. Let's see if we can get that thing out of there that does not belong. Obviously does not belong. Whatever it is. I think the last time I did this, it was, it turned into something that looked like a landscape. Give it just a little bit more, because I can. It's a slow process, but it's a worthwhile one. So I tried to bring the cardboard up to meet the edge. So the paint will create a seal on whatever you're using as an edge catcher. One more second, and I'm going to throw that color right back on there if I can. The edge catcher should be the full length of the painting. I'm not sure I've ever tried with the cardboard before, but I kind of don't hate it. It's different. Don't know what that is. Oh, that's that drip. I shouldn't have done that. But this is turning out pretty. And I might just fill in the ends with black paint, because I think it's gorgeous. Where's my... This is my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, which I'm assuming will work as well as on cardboard as it will on anything else. And the Meeden black paint goes a good long way. So just take that right off of there. Pardon me for blocking your view with my cardboard. There, that's just absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Sorry, did it again. Just get rid of that. Oops, dripped in my painting. I won't tell if you don't tell. Hey, my fingers are attached to my hand. Best tool I've got, fingers, right here. Cool. Alright, we're done. We're done with the possible exception of anything I find that I didn't stick my finger in that needs to have that happen. And I'll use up any of my my spare black paint. Will go right on the ends. So usually I prime a canvas with this Meeden black that has GAC 800 and Floetrol in it. You can always ask me for the recipe. Not a problem. But right at the moment, it's working very well for what I wanted it to do. That's just beautiful. I kind of wish I could have... never mind. We'll shimmer this at you. I'm not sure which the best way up is. I kind of like it the way I had it for you. But I do love it, so we're all good. I see there's a bubble there. Still managed to use most of my time up. So check out my my link tree, and near my link tree you'll find the Colourarte coupon code and the coupon code for pixel paint designs. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colors. Check those out. Let's see if I can straighten that out. My camera's always canted. That's just gorgeous. That's colors caught in a wave or something. So please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. When you watch longer, you help me out. Your comments keep my morale boosted. I appreciate your donations through PayPal. The icon's on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. My Amazon link has my 2 books on it, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities are the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. My community board is on my channel, and you will see that. I post at 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My email address is easpb, and the word gallery spelled out, at gmail.com. I love you guys endlessly. I have 30 playlists of 100 videos, and probably 31 by now. And they're all organized by topic and genre. So if you like a certain genre, let me know, and I'll include a playlist because I have them all nicely saved. My paint pouring recipes are below. Show more. On my link tree, you can find a couple of websites: Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist, Fluid Art Studio Appreciation Group, or some variation on that theme. You can have any of my art transposed onto things at Spring. You can see that clothing under the video. Or The Gallerist, Society 6, Pixels.com, Fine Art America. Any of those places will work. Just mention it to me, and I will add something if you're of a mind to have it. You can, and you'll probably be the only one with it, but that would be helpful to me. So if you guys shop my Amazon link, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out, and I really appreciate that. I love you much. You inspire me often, and this is accidental art for me at its best, and I'm perfectly happy with it as it is. I'll see you guys anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I love you.